pupunta kami doon sa car show. And may car show doon, pupuntahan namin. Tingnan natin yung ano, kung anong meron doon sa car show. Ang ganda dito, promise. Dito kami sa Winchester, Virginia. So mga beshi, ang laman ng bag ko ay ang aking camera. Tapos, kung nakikita nyo yan, yan yung Shenandoah University. So Shenandoah Health University's Health and Science. Health and Science.
Look at this Corvette, baby. It's amazing.
Colors.
And the color is blue.
Yeah, that's got the. It's convertible.
Yeah.
You can remove the glass tops.
What's this? What year? 1950s?
The license plate there. Tell you.
Oh, look at this blue one. That is so cute. Yeah, look at this badass right here. Wow.
That's a hearse. The dead body in the back.
Oh my god. Look at this. Your last ride. That is so cool.
You know that car? You know that car that Wilkerson has in his garage?
The Firebird?
That's what it's supposed to look like.
Firebird?
That's right there. That's perfect. That's beautiful. We'll have to come back and look at that.
So ang ganda ng mga cars. Promise. So this one right here is 1965. Look at this antique right here, love. What's this? This is Ford.
Are we done?
So, naglalakad-lakad pa rin kami para ano, para tumingin-tingin lang naman kasi car show lang naman eh. Meron lang kami nakita isa binibenta, mga nasa 50,000 lang naman. Murang-mura. Pwede din, murang-mura ba yung 50,000? Yan na, ako naririnig nyo ng mga ano, pasikatan na sila ng ano, ng tunog ng kanilang mga sasakyan, mga bakla. So tingnan niyo yung ano, yung old na Chevrolet. na, besh! You wanna go there?
KGH 2988. That's parked over here in the gravel lot where the armory is, and we need to have those vehicles moved to a correct parking spot. There is a person down there that would tell you where you can park. You don't have them moved, they will have them.
So, pabalik na kami sa sasakyan kasi punta na kami sa susunod na lokasyon. Talagang susunod na lokasyon eh. Susunod na lokasyon kung saan ako mag-vlog na naman ulit. So, tapusin natin ito dito tapos sa ibang lokasyon naman tayo. Let's go by the rock. There's water right here, and there's a lot of dog poop. And like, I'm just gonna put my bag in here, and then go into the water. Ang lamig, parang may yellow. Hi, Sam. Do you want to sit down right there and I'll take a picture of you? Thank you. Okay, let's go.
Look at the swan.
Oh, that's fake.
Is that fake?
Yeah, that's fake.
No, it ain't.
It is fake.
He's turned her head. He's just blinked. It's real.
No, it's fake. That is fake. Yeah. it really does, but it's fake.
I saw it blink.
All right, Sam, let's go. So ako ang
If we didn't bring him, I would be really upset with myself.
I know. So taga-video lang ako tapos siya taga-hawak ng aso. Nai-stress na yan siya dahil ano, ang kulit ni Sammy.
Oh, nice.
Oh, sige Sammy, tumay ka muna. Take your time.